Kinji Used Clothing is one of the best thrift stores in Japan. Named after the company president's grandfather, Kinji has branches nationwide, including both in Tokyo and Osaka. Kinji in Harajuku is probably the most famous, but if you're in Osaka, I recommend going to its branches in both Osaka City and Kishiwada City. They have new stocks each time, and it is obvious that they check well before putting the items on display. The clothes don't look crappy. In fact, they actually look like they've been barely worn. The prices are amazing too. They have many racks of new looking clothes such as t-shirts, pants, skirts, and shorts for just 700 yen each, which is a great deal considering the prices in Japan. You won't go empty-handed as long as Kinji's items match your style. If you ever need more time inside the store, no worries. They have a chair and a restroom for your convenience. Also, you won't have to worry about finding the store. Its bold orange paint will guarantee you'll spot it right away.